What does it take to reinvent how the world cleans? It begins with people who have built a legacy. A legacy of pride, craftsmanship, and the drive to create new ways to clean. A legacy built from our heads, our hands, our hearts, in good old-fashioned elbow grease, to forge marvelous machines of clean. It's about more than just creating the world's greatest sweepers and scrubbers. It's bigger. It's about helping our customers clean every nook and cranny, to make things shiny and new again, so the tiniest of feet can walk barefoot, so those in our care feel safe, so we leave our environment better than we found it, so we honor the generations that have taught us what's important. The generations of builders, thinkers, visionaries, stewards, dreamers. So, what does it take to reinvent how the world cleans? It takes Tennant and you. It's what we've always done. It's what we'll always do. Because we are creators of new.
I'm a creator of new levels of quality.
I am a creator of new processes.
We have the power to create, to think like new. Creators of new have the wisdom to ask why, the courage to ask why not, to challenge what is, and ask what could be. We value ideas, both big and small.
I am a creator of new.
I am a creator of new.
As creators of new, we empower others. We work across boundaries and respect new opinions. We collaborate for the greater good.
I am a creator of new.
I am a creator of new relationships.
New ideas.
We continually explore innovative ways to improve our business and ourselves. We chart our own course. As creators of new, we are energized by opportunities to make a difference. We are creators of new. We reinvent how the world cleans.
I am a creator of new ways of thinking.
I'm a creator of new.
We are creators of new.
I am a creator of new tools.
I am a creator of new levels of service.
I am a creator of new ways to market.
New efficiencies.
Partners. Possibilities.
I'm a creator of new friendships.
I am a creator of customer solutions.
I am a creator of new ways to make things shine.
I am a creator of new.
I'm a creator of new.
I am a creator of new.